On April 16th, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.7. This model was engineered specifically for long-running agent workflows and complex reasoning. Because this model can now handle its own internal logic chains, the hours we used to spend refining specific prompt syntax are becoming unnecessary. Prompting is moving into the category of a legacy skill. We are transitioning from querying chatbots for immediate answers to managing digital workers that prioritize high-level outcomes. This tutorial will show you exactly how to launch a multi-day project that runs without manual, step-by-step intervention. Mastering this process allows the AI to execute the entire project lifecycle independently while you focus on the final results. In the current AI workspace, the focus is moving from simple text boxes toward management-style interfaces. The old method required micromanagement, feeding the AI granular instructions for every minor task to keep it on track. This comparison shows the shift. True delegation involves a single, high-level objective and letting the model deduce the necessary steps. Claude Opus 4.7 is built to support this shift, with an architecture designed for tasks that take days rather than seconds. The Opus 4.7 dashboard includes persistent logic and hallucination resistance modules. These allow the agent to maintain its reasoning and context over extended operational periods. This continuity means the agent can execute the middle steps of a project autonomously, without needing a human to check its work at every stage. To unlock this level of autonomy, you must first move past the urge to micromanage the AI's every move. Most professional workloads can be delegated using one of three specific strategies. First is the autonomous audit. Use this for deep dive analysis on large datasets, such as reviewing an entire codebase for security vulnerabilities. Second is the strategic mapper. This is for long-term, generative goals, like building a map of a competitive market. The third pathway is the daily operator. This involves bundling several minor, related tasks into one overarching goal instead of prompting them one by one. Success is now defined by the quality of the agent's final execution, rather than the speed of a single response. To begin, we need to draft an agent delegation brief. A successful brief clearly states the end goal and includes all relevant documents the agent will need to reference. Your brief must explicitly instruct the AI to work autonomously. You provide the goal, but no step-by-step instructions. Once you hit submit, your involvement ends until the project is complete. On day 1, the agent node parses raw data points to establish a baseline. By day 2, it links these into a unified strategy. On day 3, it delivers a finalized document, maintaining context for 72 hours. Witnessing this shows why restarting threads or intervening mid-project is no longer necessary. After being hands-off for several days, you return to your workstation to review the results. The agent has delivered a detailed, professionally formatted competitive strategy document that covers every requirement of the initial brief. You achieved this depth of work without writing a single follow-up prompt or providing mid-project guidance. Review your task list for the coming week. Identify which projects can be fully delegated to an agent rather than being manually prompted. Productivity now scales with your ability to manage digital workers rather than your ability to talk to chatbots.